everyone, I'm Emma. Like, share, and subscribe now.
Hey, I'm Jackson. Let's continue today's topic.
Your teacher taught you, "Good morning, how are you? I am fine, thank you." And nobody ever taught you what people actually say. Today, 30 real phrases. Day 7. Let's go.
Group 1. Conversation starters and keepers. These are the phrases that open conversations and keep them flowing. Repeat every one out loud.
Phrase 1. What have you been up to? This replaces how are you in Real English. It asks what you have been doing recently. More personal, more natural. Repeat after me.
What have you been up to?
Phrase 2. How's everything going? Another natural alternative to how are you. Casual, warm, used constantly. Repeat after me.
How's everything going?
Phrase 3. That's what I was going to say. Use this when someone says exactly what you were thinking. It creates instant connection. Repeat after me. What I was going to say.
That's exactly what I was going to say.
Phrase 4. Tell me more about that. Use this to show genuine interest and keep the conversation going. The other person loves this phrase. Repeat after me. Tell me more about that.
Tell me more about that.
Phrase 5. Fair enough. This means, okay, I accept that. I understand. Very British. Used constantly. Fair enough. Repeat after me.
Fair enough.
Phrase 6. That makes sense. Use this when someone explains something and you understand it. Not, I understand. Just, that makes sense. Natural, simple. Repeat after me. Phrase 7. No worries. This replaces you are welcome and it is okay and no problem. All 3 in 2 words. Repeat after me.
No worries.
Phrase 8. I was just about to say that. Similar to phrase 3, use it when someone reads your mind. It creates warmth and connection instantly. Repeat after me. I was just about to say that.
I was just about to say that.
Phrase 9. You know what I mean? Use this at the end of an explanation to check the other person is following you. Very common in British and American English. Repeat after me. You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
Phrase 11. To be honest with you, this signals you are about to say something genuine. It makes people lean in and listen. To be honest with you, I was not expecting that. Repeat after me. To be honest with you.
To be honest with you?
10 phrases. Group 1 done. Write day 7 in the comments now and tell us which of those 10 surprised you most. Then keep watching. 20 more to go.
Group 2. Reacting and responding. These are the phrases native speakers say when they hear something surprising, good, bad, or interesting. Without these, your reactions sound flat. With them, you sound real.
Phrase 11. No way! This means I cannot believe it. Used for surprise, good or bad. No way! Did that really happen? Repeat after me.
No way!
Phrase 13. That's a shame. Use this when something bad or disappointing has happened. Not, I am sorry to hear that. Just, that is a shame. Short, warm, natural. That's a shame.
That's a shame.
Phrase 13. Good for you. This is positive. It means well done. I am happy for you. Someone gets a promotion? Good for you. Someone finishes a challenge? Good for you. Repeat after me.
Good for you.
Phrase 14. I know, right? This means I completely agree. I feel exactly the same. Very common in casual conversation. Someone says, it is so cold today. You say, No, right? Repeat after me.
I know, right?
Phrase 16. Sounds good to me. This means I agree or I accept this plan. Not I am in agreement. Just sounds good to me. Casual, positive, fast. Repeat after me. Sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me.
Phrase 16. I had no idea. Use this when you learn something you did not know. I had no idea it was that expensive. I had no idea you lived there. Shows genuine surprise. Phrase 17. That's not what I expected. Use this when something surprises you. Not necessarily bad, just unexpected. Honest, natural, real. Repeat after me. That's not what I expected.
That's not what I expected.
Phrase 19. I can imagine. Use this to show empathy. You understand how someone feels even without experiencing it yourself. I have been so tired this week. I can imagine. You have been working so hard. Repeat after me. I can imagine.
I can imagine.
Phrase 19. That's what I thought. Use this when something confirms what you already suspected. The project was delayed again. That is what I thought. Shows you are perceptive and engaged. Repeat after me. That's what I thought.
That's what I thought.
Phrase 20. I would not have thought of that. Use this as a genuine compliment when someone has a good idea you would not have had. It is warm, honest, and people love hearing it. Repeat after me. I wouldn't have thought of that.
I wouldn't have thought of that. Group 2 done. 20 phrases total. 10 more to go. And these last 10 are the ones that will make your English sound the most natural of all. Keep going.
Group 3. Everyday, real-life phrases. These come up in normal daily situations, at work, with friends, on the phone. Master these and your English will sound completely natural in any situation. Phrase 21. Let me get back to you on that. Use this when you need time to think or check something before answering. Professional, natural, used in every workplace every day. Repeat after me. Let me get back to you on that.
Let me get back to you on that.
Phrase 22. I'll keep that in mind. Use this when someone gives you advice or information you want to remember. Polite, appreciative, natural.
I'll keep that in mind.
Phrase 23. It depends. Use this when the answer is not simple. It changes based on the situation. Not always, just it depends. Then explain. It depends on the weather. It depends on the budget. Repeat after me.
It depends.
Phrase 24. I could do with. This means I would really like or I need. I could with a coffee right now. I could do with a break. Very British, very natural. Repeat after me.
I could do with a coffee right now.
Phrase 25. What's the worst that could happen? Use this to encourage yourself or someone else when they are nervous about trying something. Positive, playful, real. Repeat after me. What's the worst that could happen?
What's the worst that could happen?
Phrase 26. I am just saying. Use this after sharing an opinion, especially one that might be controversial. I think we need a bigger team. I am just saying. It softens the statement.
I'm just saying.
Phrase 27. It is not a big deal. Use this to tell someone not to worry about something minor. You apologize for being late? No, it is not a big deal. Very reassuring, very natural. Repeat after me. It's not a big deal.
It's not a big deal.
Phrase 28. Now that you mention it, use this when something someone says reminds you of something you had forgotten. Now that you mention it, I did notice that too. Shows you are listening and engaged. Repeat after me. Phrase 29. It is on the tip of my tongue. Use this when you know a word but cannot remember it at that exact moment. Everyone understands this phrase immediately. Very human, very relatable. Repeat after me. It's on the tip of my tongue.
It's on the tip of my tongue.
Phrase 30. You live and you learn. Use this after making a mistake or having an unexpected experience. It means, that was a lesson and I am better for it. Positive. Philosophical. Very English. Repeat after me. 30 phrases. Done. All in one episode. Every single one used by native speakers every day. And now, every single one in your mouth too.
Rapid fire. We say all 30 fast. You repeat each one. Do not think, just say. Ready? What have you been up to? How's everything going? That's exactly what I was going to say. Tell me more about that. Fair enough. That makes sense. No worries. You know what I mean? To be honest with you. No way. That's a shame. Good for you. I know, right? Sounds good to me. I had no idea. I can imagine. That's what I thought. I wouldn't have thought of that. Let me get back to you on that. I'll keep that in mind. It depends. I could do with a coffee. I'm just saying. It's not a big deal. Now that you mention it, it's on the tip of my tongue. You live and you learn.
27 in 60 seconds. Those 3 extra are your bonus. I was just about to say that. That is not what I expected. What is the worst that could happen? Say all 3 now. Repeat after me. I was just about to say that. That's not what I expected. What's the worst that could happen?
I was just about to say that. That's not what I expected. What's the worst that could happen?
Day 7 done. 30 phrases, 1 week complete. You now have phrases for starting conversations, keeping them going, reacting naturally, and handling everyday real-life situations. Your homework? Pick 5 from today. Say each one 10 times tonight. Then use at least 2 tomorrow in a real situation.
Write day 7 done in the comments. Plus, which phrase surprised you most? Day 8 is tomorrow. English past tense mistakes you make every day and how to fix them. Subscribe and turn on notifications. See you tomorrow.
This is Simple English Talks with Emma. 1 week down, 23 days to go. See you tomorrow.